In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add your own bank account as a recipient so you can move money to yourself quickly and with fewer errors. Start on your Wise dashboard and look to the left-hand side. Click Recipients. This section is like your address book for money transfers. It stores the people and accounts you send money to. Keeping your own bank account here makes future transfers faster, because you won't have to retype details each time. Next, select Add Recipient. You're creating a new entry in that list. Wise will guide you through a short, structured form, and it only takes a minute or two if you have your bank information handy. You'll be asked to select the currency. Choose the currency your bank account is actually held in. This is important because it determines which fields appear and how your transfer is routed. For example, a US dollar account typically needs a routing number and account number. A UK pound account needs a sort code and account number, and a euro account usually needs an IBAN and sometimes a BIC. Picking the correct currency helps Wise show the right fields and reduces the chance of a failed transfer. Now, choose Bank Details, then select For Myself. This tells Wise you're adding your own bank account rather than someone else's. Using For Myself ensures the account holder name is expected to match your Wise profile, which can prevent delays or verification issues. Enter your bank details exactly as they appear in your banking app or on an official statement. Type carefully. 1 digit off in a routing number, sort code, or IBAN can send money to the wrong place or cause the transfer to bounce back. If you're pasting an IBAN, remove any spaces that copied over. Make sure the account holder name matches your bank's records, including any middle initials if they're required. And remember, Wise does not need your online banking password or full card number for this step. Only the bank details relevant to the transfer. Once everything looks correct, proceed, and Wise will validate the format of what you entered. When it's accepted, your bank account appears in your recipients list. That's it. You've added your bank account on Wise. The next time you send money, just select this saved recipient to speed things up. If you spot a typo later, you can update or remove the recipient from the same recipient section. And if your account supports multiple currencies, choose the primary currency of that specific bank account to keep transfers smooth. You're all set. Thanks for watching.